Hey, my sweethearts, how are you? Today is Thursday, 23rd of April 2020. I'm the teacher Natty, and today we're going to make a review about phonics and we're going to make the homework together, okay? So, our class today is from phonics. So, we're going to review some vowels, the vowels A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, O. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, O. Okay, touch your face when you make the sound of the vowels, okay? So, now the short vowel sound. So, the short vowels are always happy. They are always very, very happy because they are alone in a word. So, we make only the sound a, e, o, and o. As in apple, as in ant, as in jam, as in crab. Very good. As in bed, as in elephant, as in tin, as in bell. Very good. As in ship, as in lipstick, as in six, as in fish. O, as in sock, as in octopus, as in soap, as in frog. Okay. As in duck, as in sun, as in buck, as in cup. Okay, this is the short vowel sound. They are always happy, very, very happy. Now, the long vowels, they are angry. And the another is very scared, okay? Because she had to share. She has to share the word. Ella tiene que compartir la palabra. Por eso está muy enojada esa vocal, ¿no es cierto? Okay, the long vowels. A as in skate. A as in tape. A as in cake. Now here, E as in tree. E as in leaf. E as in bee. I as in dime. I as in nine. I as in dice. Very good. So O as in cone. O as in soap. O as in globe and is as in boat. And U as in glue. U as in cube. U as in ruler. U as in unicorn. Ok, siempre recuerden, las vocales largas son las que tienen que compartir la palabra. Por eso una está enojada y la otra está asustada. Y ellas, como están muy enojadas, van a hacer su nombre, ya no su sonido. Okay, sweethearts, now it's time to do your homework. Please take your book, I do read, on page number 5. I do read 2 on page number 5. So, what we have to do, we are going to mark the vowels, happy, angry, or silent, scared, silent. So, and we're going to try to read. I'm going to read with you. This sounds wah. We read web. She's happy. She make the sound web. Web is Bill's dog. Okay, you have to mark. Bill likes to take Web to the lake. Very good. And the last part. Web can use his bill to get bugs. Okay, mark the vowels and try to read. Then, when you finish to make the vowels and circle the special sounds, take a picture of this page and send it to me. Cuando termine, toma una foto y por favor me envía. Intente leer su tarea como lo hizo la teacher. Get it? Les quiero mucho, mis corazones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.